Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So before we dive into the Walgreens deals for the week of the 9th to the 15th, we're going to talk really quickly about Kohl's. If you walk into Kohl's either uh, on the 7th, 8th, or 9th, they are giving out a the ultimate giveaway. And basically what it is, it's a little card and it's first come, first serve. It's either 5, 10, 20, or $50 of Kohl's Cash. I got a $5 one and I got a free towel that was $4.99. So it's one per customer and you could do it once per day. I know the last time this came around, I mentioned it on a Sunday and a lot of you were really disappointed that you couldn't do it more than one day. So this is still ongoing. If you want to go get a free towel, if you get like a $10 or $20, obviously you can get a bit more creative, but I only got a $5 one, so I got one free towel. So if you have a Kohl's department store where you live, head out there first thing to participate both on Saturday and Sunday. Okay, so the first couple pieces of business is the 10 back when you spend 25. It's valid until the 29th of March, so it's taking place a whole month. And you can either do this curbside or you can do it in store. In store, you're going to get a register reward to print out that you can use on future beauty purchases. And so we have the end date, which is the 29th of March, and that is pretty exciting. Another thing with St. Patrick's Day right around the corner, they are offering these unique coupon codes to save 17% off of a $17 purchase using the code LUCKY17. We're definitely going to have to utilize that in a curbside deal next week. What we're going to talk about is the Batiste Dry Shampoo, buy one, get one 50% off, $10 reward when you purchase two. IBOTTA also has this, and it's $2 back per can. And Walgreens is one of the store. Grabbing two of these dry shampoos, it's going to be $20.23 on BOGO, 50% off. $10 register reward should print for you. $4 back from IBOTTA. It makes it $6.32 for the $2 or $3.11 per can. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And I'm going to let you guys know a couple of them are ringing up 90% off. So you're going to have to look for those orange tags in store. If you could track down two of them, it's a very large moneymaker and a freebie. So this is one item I would definitely be on the lookout for starting on Sunday. The next deal that we have is with the Tresemme, that's $7, and we have a 5 off 2 digital coupon. $4 reward when you purchase two. Grabbing two of these for $14, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $9. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $5 for the two or $2.50 per product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And I'm going to let you guys know, last week I just stumbled into a whole bunch of clearance at a store. And if you can buy these clearance items in sets of two, these were 79 cents a piece. I just used $1 in Walgreens cash and paid the balance. And for each purchase, I was getting a $4 register reward to print for me. So it made it a total freebie. Obviously, you can't use the digital coupon because you're not at that $5 mark. But if you can try and find some of this on clearance or ask for a price check, I just showed you the bottles, make it happen because that's an easy freebie. And then another free deal this week is with the Crest for $3.50. $4 reward when you purchase two and a 3 off 2 digital coupon. Grabbing two of these products for $7, subtracting your digital, you're going to pay $4. Get back a $4 register reward. It makes it completely free. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. So between the Batiste, the Tresemme, if you can find those items on clearance, and then this little deal, that's possibly 3 freebies in this flyer. The newer shoppers out there, I would definitely do this deal to stock up on some dental care products, the $4 Colgates. And we're going to get $2 digitals on a paste and a brush. So grabbing one of each, that'll be $8. Subtracting the $4 in digitals, you're going to pay $4. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per product. And if you are doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance to earn your register reward. Okay, the next deal that we have is this really big jug of Purex for $9.99. We have a $2 digital, and IBOTTA is also giving a $3 rebate back for this. So grabbing one of these very large containers of Purex for $9.99, subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $7.99. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $3 back. The final price point here is $4.99, and it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And it's just a really great stock up price for this product, especially if you're a newer couponer. I would definitely grab one of these. And the Axe is back with the 7 off 2 digital coupon, and hopefully that will attach in store. I had a lot of problems last Sunday with it, but grabbing 2 body washes for 10, subtracting our digital coupon, you'll pay $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per body wash, and it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And I think this is a new 7 off 2 digital that's appearing. I know last week for me, I just could not get it to attach in the app, and it just kept vanishing and acting up. So I don't fully understand this coupon other than it was quite a bit of trouble the week previous. Now, if you might have gotten one of these paper boosters from doing a photo order, we're going to do a quick $15 basket with some Pantene shampoo. So we have the $5 Pantenes, earn a $3 reward when you purchase 3, and the $5 coupon is probably a 5 off 2 or a 5 off 3, so we're going to have to load that on Sunday morning. Grabbing 3 of the Pantenes, it's going to be 15, subtracting that 5 off 3 digital, and then get the cashier to scan your paper booster, a 5 back when you spend 15. You'll pay 10 with your debit card. Get back $3 register reward and $5 in Walgreens cash. That's $8 right there. It makes it $2 for the 3 or 66 cents per shampoo. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash as you're using a spend booster, but what a terrific deal. Another deal to keep an eye out for is the $8.99 Scott tissue. This is a very good deal. These rolls last a very long time. I mean, if you wanted to use a little bit of Walgreens cash or a register reward, I absolutely would for this. Along with this one, it's 16 rolls of Angel Soft for $10.99. The price is usually like $15 or $16. We have a little 50 center, so it'll make it $10.49, something I would definitely be picking up next week to stock up on paper. So now we're going to talk about some quick honorable mentions. The first is a buy one, get 2 for free on Arm & Hammer. Typically, it's like $8 and some change, so it makes it like $2 and some change or $2.33 per unit. It's a lot cheaper when you can find it for $1.99, but if you need to stock up, not the worst price. 4 for $16 on the Gain products. If we might have digital coupons to go with, this potentially could be a deal. I see Dawn, Febreze, Gain, Laundry Care. $5.99, $6.99, $10 reward when you spend $25 on the Neutrogena makeup wipe removers. I know that we have a 4 off 2 and a $2.50 digital that has room for a potential deal we're going to investigate next week. And the DiGiorno pizza is buy one, get one free. I used to be a really big fan of the Supreme Pizza back in the day. Oh my gosh, that was my favorite. And the final honorable mention is a buy one, get 2 for free. It usually shakes these out to like $1.66 per box of trash bags. And this is one item I absolutely hate paying for. So to pay $1 and some change, it's quite a good deal. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.